Hi everybody, let's take a look at how to submit the mid-level and the capstone exercises. So you can see on the screen I'm already in our Blackboard site. I'm going to just expand the navigation pane at the left, go down and click on assignments. In the middle, scroll all the way down. Typically you want to find the chapter that you're working in. Every chapter has the link to the My IT Lab system. So I'm going to click on chapter 1, pretending that I'm working on this one. Scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see the My IT Lab link. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. It'll advance to a new window to the My IT Lab system. If you're not taken to this new window, just quick do a double check for your web browser. Make sure your pop-up blocker is turned off. Okay, so now that I'm in My IT Lab, I'm going to go down to Course Materials. I'm going to pretend that I'm working on the Chapter 1 Mid-Level. We use the exact same steps for the capstone exercises as well. So I'm going to click on the chapter that I'm working on, and then I'm going to scroll down until I see the Mid-Level Activity, and I'm going to click on that. It'll bring up a whole new window. I'm just going to resize this so it fits on the screen. In this window, the way that the mid-levels and the capstone exercises work, you download all of the files that you need and the instructions. So that's here. You have to use the instructions in the My IT Lab system. Do not use them in your book. They're close, but they're not an exact match. Okay, then you work on your files following the instructions you're given. When you're done with the work, when you're completely done with the work, then you upload it here to this same window. So I'm going to pretend that I'm already done with my work. I've saved it in my Chapter 1 folder. Here's my mid-level. I'm going to double click it to select it. Then I'm going to click Upload. And when I'm ready, I can go ahead and click on Submit for Grading. And that's it. It's now in the My IT Lab system, and it'll be processed and it'll give me a score along with the results of what I did right and what I did wrong. And you can view that back under the grades section of the My IT Lab website. If your score is not as high as you know it could be, you have 3 chances to submit this. So make the corrections needed and submit it again for an even higher score. I'll take as many submissions as you want to give, up to the 3 before the deadline. If you have any questions or problems along the way, feel free to email me.